Thank you for visiting BibleStudyTools.com. I'm Stephen McGarvey, the Editorial Director of Bible Study Tools in the Salem Web Network. In this video, we'll finish discussing the main features of the My Bible section on the website, an electronic version of your own Bible. In Part 1, we talked about the left column of the My Bible page and how to highlight, bookmark, and tag Scripture. If you haven't watched Part 1 yet, you may want to do so. In this part, we're moving our attention to the right column of My Bible. Unlike the left column, the right column can change to show whatever feature you'd prefer. At the top, you have the choice of My Content, which includes your personal notes, highlights, bookmarks, and tags, Parallel View, which allows you to view two translations of the Bible side by side, and Community, which displays user-generated content from all BibleStudyTools.com visitors. You'll notice that as we click each of these, the pane changes to reflect your preference. First, let's take a look at the My Content pane. The first selection under My Content is My Notes, which are the notes you've made, your thoughts, web links, prayers, or whatever else you'd like to save. If you've written any notes, they'll show up here organized by book of the Bible, or by the categories you create. To make your own notes, first select the verse or verses you'd like to comment on in the left column. Then in the right column, click on the New Note button. The pane will change to allow you to enter your note. From there, you simply type the name of your note. Next, select a category from the drop-down menu. If you want to add a category, choose New Category at the bottom of the list. The drop-down menu will change into a text entry box. Type the name of your new category and click the disk icon to save or the X to cancel. Once you have your category, move down to the large text box and type your note. You have plenty of space to write. When you've finished, simply click Save and Close. One important note: by default, your notes will be shared with the BibleStudyTools.com community, so that others may draw inspiration and understanding from your insights. If your note is meant to be private, make sure you select the Hide from the Community checkbox, and your note will not show up to other visitors. You can change this setting at any time. Once you've added your notes, you can review and edit them easily from the My Notes pane. Beside the book or category, depending on which view you choose, click the plus sign, and you'll see the titles of all your notes in that book or category, and the date you last made an edit. If you'd like to make changes to the note, simply click on the title, and you'll see the familiar editing pane. On the right-hand side of the My Notes pane, you have the option to export your note as a text document, to print your note, or to delete. Don't worry, if you accidentally click delete, you'll see a warning pop-up box to confirm. At the top of the list of notes, you'll also find the option to export or print all your notes at once. Beside the My Notes option, you'll find My Highlights. Click that and you'll see a list of all the verses you've highlighted. Click the verse reference and the left column will change to show that verse. Beside My Highlights, you'll find My Bookmarks, which is a list of the verses you've bookmarked to read or find again later. Next to that, you'll find My Tags, a list of all the tags you've made. At the bottom of this pane, you will see a tag cloud that provides a visual representation of all the various tags you've created. The more times you've used a tag, the larger the tag is in the tag cloud. Click on one of the tags to see all the verses you've tagged with that word or phrase. When you or anyone else chooses to share notes or tags from My Bible, those notes and tags show up in the community page. You can choose to view all notes, notes on the chapter of the Bible you're currently viewing, or user-generated tags. For more information, please watch the Community Basics video in the Help section of the site. Thank you for watching this Part 2 video of the My Bible section. If you have other questions, please visit our Help page or click on the yellow bar at the top of the screen to send us an email.